In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple and effective inbox system in Notion. The goal of this setup is to give you one reliable place to capture anything that comes to mind before you forget it. Instead of trying to organize every thought in the moment, you'll create a single Notion page called Inbox. This page becomes your landing zone for tasks, ideas, notes, and reminders so you can save things quickly and stay focused on what you're doing. Start by creating a new page in Notion and naming it Inbox. Keep the page clean and easy to access because the whole point is speed. If you want this system to be useful every day, it should feel effortless to open and use whenever something pops into your head. Inside that inbox page, add a quick capture database. This database will hold all the loose items you want to collect in one place. You can use it for tasks you need to complete, ideas you want to explore later, notes you don't want to lose, and simple reminders. Think of it as a temporary holding area, not your permanent organization system. Next, add a few simple properties to your database. Include a type property so you can identify whether something is a task, idea, note, or reminder. Add a status property to show whether an item is new, in progress, or handled. Include a priority property so you can quickly spot what matters most. Then add a date added property so you always know when something entered your inbox. Keeping these properties simple makes the database easier to maintain and much faster to use. Once your setup is ready, get into the habit of saving everything into the inbox first. This is an important part of the workflow. Don't stop to decide exactly where each item belongs when you capture it. The inbox is meant to reduce friction, so the faster you can store information, the more likely you are to keep using the system consistently. To keep the inbox useful, review it daily or weekly. Choose a rhythm that fits your workload and make it a regular habit. During your review, go through each item and decide what it actually is and where it should go. Then move each item to the correct project page, task list, or notes page. This is where the real organization happens. Your inbox collects information quickly, but your review process gives every item a proper home. Finally, clear the inbox regularly so it doesn't become cluttered. A full inbox can feel overwhelming and defeats the purpose of having a trusted capture space. When you keep it clean, your Notion workspace stays organized and your inbox remains fast, simple, and effective.